Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called DATAF LOCKER. DATAF LOCKER is a ransomware that attacks many computers these days. DATAF LOCKER is a ransomware that may affect Windows files, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Now, because of the ransomware attacks, users are not able to open their files. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll show you what can happen with the files after they get encrypted. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the data without any troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this DATAF LOCKER ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then it's not possible to use the files anymore. Ransomware encrypts the files and damages them essentially. The ransomware drops this ransom note mentioning that the files are encrypted and that users need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. So you should not pay the ransom. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. You may simply waste your money. I recommend that you immediately remove this horrible ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on the Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Then the scanning itself will take some time. It may depend on various factors, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you will see the information about threats. You will be able to know the facts about their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data always under the protection.